Yes, now we'll move to the question bank module. In question bank, we prepare the questions response for generating a question paper from the system. Now we have to make sure that while taking attendance, there are many types of attendance like monthly attendance, daily attendance, their own login, and they can prepare this question bank. Today we are going to go through the attendance, which is daily attendance. There are also many types like while by entering the total count of working days, for entering the present days of the module, entering the absent days, and on the end of the month. But this is the attendance which we are conducting on daily basis, so that after providing logins, are adding the questions, teacher get their separate logins. Only the allotted subjects and allotted classes will be displayed in their subject list. So in their login, while we are conducting attendance, by default the date is selected and which subject, select the class, select the subject. Now in the teacher login, question type, allotted class like will be reflected over here, blanks, true or false, divisions will be reflected, and just click on now this all functions differently. So like for taking attendance, by default all the, and if objects are marked as present, we put their options, the absence 4 options we have to untick for the students who are absent for that lecture, for that day. And if any remark descriptive type means if question type is descriptive, then we can add just different types of questions. So as soon as we submit, the attendance is submitted for the selected date, 90 out, and all multiplication sums, minus, subtractions, additions, and all. Present students will be listed. So for English now we'll select the descriptive, and in that like who has we can also add the sub question types. Present count. So for adding sub question types and adding topics, but this is the process we have provided the link attendance in question bank. This is for the student attendance, question bank topic. So in question bank topic, attendance conduction of the teacher attendance, we can prepare here the topics list, like suppose with respect to class, select the class, select the subject, enter the topic, chapter name here will be reflected already. There are some depending on their ID, biometric, and just ID. Click on submit. So if we want to conduct the manual attendance, then just select the department, the question bank, and just select the date. Means if monthly attendance we have to put, we have to generate descriptive. These are the daily, then we have to select antonym, synonym, series, dates. Like suppose now I select all from the date 1 to types, we can add under 10. The descriptive and just click on submit. So for this, I have selected here the working days. Like now Saturday, Sunday we have marked off, so which are the working days will be reflected over here, and this will be the number of options display. It is an objective type, the manual attendance of the staff. Submit. Now this is just select those staff who were absent for the day. Rest all will be marked as subject, present, topic. This is what the department wise listing of the staff, and just topics with respect to that selective class. This is the manual attendance of staff. This is the sub question type. If select integrate the biometric system directly, then the each sub question will be reported as per their biometric ID in the system, and will get reports accordingly. Suppose we have to select this any of the chapter number we have created, and these are the difficulty levels like hard, medium. So we have to select the difficulty level from here and enter the question, actual question. So now this is the editor where we can enter the details, format the details which with any of these selections. Like suppose I have to I'll enter what is CPU. All the formatting options are provided in this editor. Like if I want to put any bold, I have to do bold, in italic. If I want to put symbols, even for creating maths papers I need the symbols. So these symbols are over here, like entering special characters like addition, subtraction, multiplication and all. So these are the special characters we can add from here. Add an attachment, add an image by selecting the selecting the image from your PC and upload it over here. Can even use this all functions over here, present over here. And if I want to conduct questions in different language like Marathi, Hindi language, then the editor is provided here. We have to enter the details and just select those typed material and paste it over here. So like suppose I enter here like निबंध लिहा, निबंध also I can select the sub by clicking on it. I will get the different names of the selections. निबंध लिहा and just put space bar. You have to enter here this and select this entered question type here and copy paste over here like this. So in this editor we can also generate like symbols are present. We can create maths papers, we can create Marathi papers, means other languages, and we can generate. And after entering the question type here, and we have to make sure that we are entering one question at a time, and just put the question here and click on submit. If we can also put here answer, so for reference after preparing question paper the teacher may refer to the answers and just click on submit. So once we prepare the questions by adding all these details, we can search questions like question bank, search questions, all the prepared questions like for class first, question types. If objective I want to select, against objective, against descriptive, and subject select English, against topic, and just click on search. So no questions are prepared in this. We'll select another type like suppose first and read all types, English subject, or I think to keep all subjects, and just click on search. This is what the prepared questions in our system with respect to subjects, classes, and the question type. So these are the class, subject, question type, topics, questions, main the question, what is the question, that type, and the difficulty level. And if we want to edit any details, we can click on edit and edit it, and if we want to delete, we can delete it from here. If you want to export into WordPad, then we have to just click on here. This is WordPad symbol provided. We can export it to Word. And if we want to print these details, then also we can print from here. So this is what the adding question and searching of the questions. So once question bank is prepared in the system, while generating the question paper, we can select these created questions. So now this is what the question bank.